Oh my god, I forgot to turn my camera on again. Hey guys, how are we doing tonight? I had a lot of fun doing this last time, and of course I don't have my frickin' camera plugged in. Is that gonna work, or is it gonna freak out? Is that gonna work? No, of course it won't. That's not the... Jesus Christ. Okay, that's gonna work. Ready? Come up. Come up. Portrait. Portrait. Uh... No, still no portrait? Where's my portrait? How's everybody doing? I had a really, really weird day. And I'm like, not... Landscape. How are we doing, guys? Today was fucking weird. How come I can't see myself? I don't even know. Where is the video? This one should be this. There we go. Yes. All right. Oh my lord, my Lanta, guys. Hey, the DOS boss. I love you too, man. I don't even know you. All right. So, I'm gonna turn the graphics settings down a little bit. I wasn't prepared to do this. I sat down to just play, but then I decided I had a lot of fun streaming the other day. So, that was on Sunday. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna stream some more Grand Theft Auto. I turned everything. I was playing on very high on. Look, it's Mr. Handsome. This? You mean this is this handsome? I don't think so. It's kind of meh. It's Grand Theft Auto. Did I spell audio? Did I? Oh my lord. Auto. Why did I write audio? I just fixed it. All right. So, all right. So I went on my PlayStation earlier. This is running at 30 frames a second. I went on my PlayStation earlier and I tried to like sync my Rockstar account so I could copy over my progress in the single player, but nope. So I'm gonna hop over to Simeon. Also, I turned the music off, so I'm not gonna get content ID'd. Funnily enough, why playing again? Because I spent $30 on it, and I really like it. Funnily enough, the other day when I was playing, I was like, I said, oh hey, I should probably not have all this music playing because I'm going to get content ID'd. And like, when I said content ID'd, YouTube's algorithm picked up on it and was like, hey, this boy is listening to some copyrighted music. So screw him, dude. And now like Warner Brothers is putting, like, Warner Music Group is putting on some ads on my video, and I can't monetize it. So screw them. Hey Simeon, what time is it? I thought I just glitched through the wall. What time is it in game right now? Oh hey, I got a shotgun. Running under wine. Let's read some of the contents. The chat. Upgraded my GPU with my own rig. Oh, hold on. Trying to get this. I think I'm going to build a tool for myself to use in OBS because there really aren't good chat overlay tools, or like any tools really for OBS on Linux. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna build a tool that'll work with OBS on Linux, and it's gonna like up the production value of these live streams. I'm really glad I can live stream now. Proton let you delete your Windows partition. That's awesome to hear, man. Wow, we get 75 people watching. Holy crap. All right, so let's be entertaining. There we go. Yes.
You're a racist.
What?
You don't like me because you think that I am an Arab.
What? No. What are you talking about?
Excuse
Something
me.
like that. Wait.
That
wait,
boy. I am his mentor. I am so proud of you.
What do you mean, a mentor?
Don't worry about that.
Okay, so what you got for me?
James DeSanta. Some kid. He is already late on his payments, and I have this bad feeling that he will do more damage to the car than we can get back from him in the exorbitant interest rate payments, huh? Just go and get it. The house is on Hampstead, off Eclipse. It's an SUV. Huh? Some Rockford Hills daddy's boy nonsense. Don't worry about it. Try to bring the car back in good condition, huh?
I got you. Don't worry about it.
It's so good to see you, my boy. Hey, good luck in law school, huh? So,
Good luck in law school, eh?
financing.
All right, we're gonna pop on out of here. Cool. We're on our way to the next mission. So I turned the music off. I think I mentioned that already because I don't want to. I don't like the content ID crap. Here we go. Alright, we're on our way to this next mission here.
Hey, did you change your mind?
When I discover that you betray me, perhaps. I hear you took the bike for yourself, my employee of the month.
Listen, man, me and Lamar was gonna get that back to you, dawg.
Oh, I am sure. You will get this car off the daddy's boy, and then we talk. Insurance papers say they have a locked garage, so you'll need to gain access from inside the house.
Man, it's never easy with you, is it, Simi?
Do not talk to me about easy, you thief.
Oh my god. I quite enjoy this game. I don't know why. It's not my usual fare.
My car!
Here we go. Find a way into the house. Let's hop the gate. I can hear like my footsteps. How do I get up there again? Ah. It's right here, right? No, there's no climbing. What do I do? I don't remember. I don't remember. Did I walk in through the front? I feel like I climbed up a frickin' pole or something. I don't remember. Oh, right.
That's just because you have a massive gaper, bitch.
Fucking homo, you're dead. Dad! He said I had a massive... Jimmy called me a bitch!
He tried to knife attack me. Ooh, ouch, Raperino.
Oh my god, seriously? My brother is such a homo. I think he has a medical problem. Like, more medical problems than the ones he's already been diagnosed with. Thank you, coach.
You're a real pro, Mrs. DeSanta. A real pro.
Hey, Simeon.
Oh
I got
my
the
God.
ride, man. I'm coming back.
If you actually bring the repossession to me this time, I can have it back out on the street before the day is done.
That's a 9mm semi-automatic pushed against your skull. Well, look around. You just keep driving where you're going.
Hey, come on, man. This was a repo job. Guy was behind on his fucking note.
Unlikely, considering my son just got the car. And looking at the way you're going about this, my guess, you're working a credit fraud.
Credit fraud?
What are you, a fucking idiot?
Credit fraud? Be serious, dude. I just work the fucking repos.
I appreciate a kid who follows orders without taking responsibility. Yeah, maybe one day we'll have a beer, and I'll explain how the world really works. Who gives you the slip?
A car dealer, dawg, by the name of Simeon Yateri.
So this businessman, he look legit to you?
Look, man, it's just
Easy.
between him and your fucking son.
Don't worry. Me and Mr. Yetarian, we'll work this out.
Hey, man, it's Jess up here.
Okay, stop the car. Pull up. That the place?
Yeah, this the place, man.
Whoa. Drive in.
So,
Right through the fucking window.
people
And
are
fast.
people are asking
I'll put 2
how.
rounds in the back of your skull and do it myself.
Are we asking how I was able to get the game working?
I look like a fucking joke to you.
Man, fuck my life.
Tutorial. All right. It was pretty simple. Get wine tricks on your system. Hold on, I'm gonna turn my volume down. Get wine tricks on your computer, and then install wine tricks. Install the core fonts into the
Exactly how it looks.
Steam prefix
Big for a job
for the
well
game,
done. Get out of here, kid.
and then
You motherfucker!
whoops, what the hell did I do?
Fucking asshole.
What?
I'm within the lines of the law.
Uh-oh. I don't know what happened. Oh, my mouse cursor like went off screen. That was weird. And then, what else did I do?
Does it look like it's worth
Can I test GTA Online? Do you need to configure Proton in some way? What did I do after that? I did core fonts. I didn't change anything in Steam. Oh, yes, I did. You have to set a launch option. So you have to like, if you go on the spcr.netlify.com and you look up GTA 5, there's a whole bunch of people who said they were able to get the game running. In fact, I'll just switch over to Steam real quick and I'll show you. So set launch options. So you got to set your launch options to look like this. So you want to do a DXVK config file, and then your config file is just going to contain a couple like device setup routines. Let me go ahead and pull that up for you. So this is what your DXVK config file is going to look like. And of course it's going to open in Wine, because why would I want to run freaking... That makes me mad. All right, here we go. This is what your DXVK config file is going to look like right here. Just do that. Put that in a file. Point your commands, your run command to this, you know, and then it does count as a Linux still. SPCR. What was the other thing I did? I did one other thing. GTA 5. I'm just looking up GTA 5 here. Where is it? It's just not. There it is. And if you look at this right here, we have, I think I used one of these somewhere. Right here. I did this. So go to this page. Yeah, just do this. This is straightforward enough. And then also make sure you install core fonts in the Wine prefix. And I think that was all I did. It's pretty easy, actually, honestly. Cool. What are people saying here? What is my setup? I'm running a GTX 970. And a Ryzen 7. There's a link, or there's a description in in the description of most of my videos that shows the gross. It shows my setup. I'm running Manjaro. I'm not doing anything special here. And it was running at 60 frames a second yesterday, but I changed the settings and now it's running at 30. And I went to try and change them back, but it didn't seem to restore the 60 frames a second thing. It might be because of like there's something weird with the full screen mode not working. Or no, it works better in full screen mode rather than borderless window. You're switching to Linux when your new CPU comes. That's awesome, dude. You're saying I noted everything down. I'm gonna try it soon. Cool. Congrats and welcome. Yes, I would agree with that. Let's see here. Where do I want to go? I want to go. Oh, hey, that's not what I wanted. What are the cheat codes? I want to put on some cheats. Are there any good cheats for GTA 5? Is GTA 5 online working? That's a great question. How about we... How do I switch characters? I don't know. I'm just going to go online. I did play it a little bit yesterday. Or, not yesterday, but... Play. I wonder if I'll get banned. Yeah, when I get GPU pass-through working, there's no point in going back. GPU pass-through is cool, but I feel like... Well, I can't say that, actually. I was going to say I feel like Proton is cooler, but that's not true. GPU pass-through is really, really cool. Hold Alt to switch characters, yeah. I'm used to playing it on the DualShock 4. I haven't got the DualShock working, and it's because I don't want to play it in big picture mode. And... like when I plug in my DualShock, it basically maps like a Steam controller outside of Steam, outside of big picture mode, which is a mouse and keyboard, and it's not really optimal. 92 people watching right now. Hello to all of you fine folks. Proton uses the GPU, yeah. How would GPU pass-through make a difference? Because you'd be running a VM instance of Windows, and you'd be passing it through to your native host, or your host operating system would be passing a GPU through to the virtual machine, and then you'd be able to play native Windows games in a native window environment, but it's also so, I mean, basically, you wouldn't run into the same performance penalties, or not performance penalties, but like just the weird kind of incompatibilities that you get with Proton. Your pile of shame is 60 games. What does that mean? Artificial duality. Hot hands? I can't cheat now that I'm playing online. Yo, look at me. I'm like a creepy blues brother. Oh. Wasted? What? What's the difference between Proton and Wine? I have Wine installed. Does that mean Proton works? Proton is a fork of Wine, meaning that it's Valve's own version of Wine, and it's meant to be used inside of Steam to play your Steam games, so that your Steam games have... so that your Windows Steam games can use native libraries like your Steam client libraries and stuff. Or, as Linus puts it, an API. Proton is an API from Valve, which is not. Do you have any GitHub repos or projects that you contribute to? I have GitHub repos, but most of my code is crap. But I do plan on making my own open source like OBS overlay tool, and that's going to be cool when it's done. I'm also working on a really basic podcast publishing app, which that's gonna be open source as well. But yeah, I'm on GitHub at Heavy Element. I don't care for GitHub now that Microsoft bought it. Most of what I do is kind of, technically most of the work that I do is proprietary because like, it sucks, and I've like argued in favor of open source, but my boss just doesn't want to open source it because well, she's not very technical, so she doesn't know about computers and stuff. But yeah, it's frustrating. Yeah, so this is GTA Online. I mean, I'm playing online. I don't really care to interact with people. I got headshotted earlier today. What's up here? Are we really listening to frickin' music, dude? I turned the music off. Stop. Ugh, that is so frustrating. That is so frustrating. Holy crap. I just realized that we were listening to music. The COC stuff, I just don't even with that. Like, if you're a grown adult, just don't even. You have a laptop with 2 gigabytes of RAM and a 32-bit Atom processor, and I want to turn it into a VM thing, but I can't. What do you want to do with it? You want it, but Windows 10 and I want to use VMs. I'm not sure exactly what you would do with a underpowered machine like that. Clash of Clans, exactly.
Listen, this is Tony Prince. I'll cut straight to the chase.
I've seen Linux native programs with a Windows version that emulates Linux. So shouldn't a Windows... Wait a minute. I've seen Linux native programs with a Windows version that emulates Linux. So shouldn't a Windows Linux dual boot user be able to use a compatibility layer that emulates their Windows folder? Yeah, I mean, I think that's... If I'm understanding you right, that's what Wine does, right? Hello, Brent. What comment? I didn't see your comment, David. It might have got filtered. YouTube has a pretty strict filter on live chat comments. If you keep reading, you are going to crush. Crush what? I really want to get up this mountain with this car for some reason. Yes! I did it. Now let's go nuts. Really? I had a meeting with my with one of my clients today. I do like website design on the side, and I had a meeting with one of my clients last night, and it was really awesome. We got a whole bunch of stuff done. We have a nice, like a really great direction for where we're heading with their website. I showed her my demo, and she was like, dude, this is great. And she had like some really great feedback for what we were doing too, so yeah, I was really pleased with how that turned out yesterday. So, I mean, I'm playing on GTA Online. I'm not an online gamer at all. So, like, I mean, what dev stack to use? I'm not sure what you're asking.
Hey, it's Paige Harris. I work with Lester Crest.
I don't know why. I'm like an evil person when I play this game, dude. I'm like, I just fucking headshot people.
Hello.
How did I get past the DRM? I didn't. If you're talking about like the boot up sequence, and you have to like, you definitely need to dead. Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of what dev stack do I use? Yes. For websites, I am all about the custom design. I don't care for using like WordPress. I feel like that's such a waste. I hate WordPress. I use PHP. PHP, big fan of PHP. I really like MongoDB. It's my favorite database that I've used. MongoDB is rad. I like JavaScript, although it definitely has its place. My favorite text editor, I like Atom. Are you talking about like development? Atom is cool. I was using VS Code for a long time.
Don't spend the whole college fund.
Goodbye now.
I'm working on learning Node.js. Node.js is it's pretty interesting. I like the MVC model of development. I learned Laravel like a little while ago. I learned how like Laravel works, and so now that I understand Laravel, I think I'll have a better understanding of MVC with JavaScript. I didn't understand MVC through JavaScript. I wasn't like super. I didn't quite understand JavaScript at all when I first tried to learn Node.js.
You got lucky, buddy.
That was a long time ago now. Holy crap. But then when I went and visited Wendell, he and his team actually told me about Laravel, and Laravel's really cool. But it was kind of overkill for what I was doing. So I went and developed my own kind of deal. Laravel's awesome. Laravel like forces you as a PHP developer to adopt like sane coding practices. Where am I going? I'm supposed to be going somewhere. I'm just like driving around. PHP can get quite insane as far as I'm concerned. Like separating your model from your view actually makes a lot of sense to me now that there's a tree. I don't even know where I'm doing anymore. Let's go this way. This way. And then let's go this way.
Hey, the car!
GTA 5 running on Linux. That's correct. It's running through Proton. Do you own any non-PC gaming consoles? Yes, I own every Nintendo, Xbox except for the Xbox One, and every PlayStation console that there has been. I own a Switch. Oh, I don't own a Wii U, but I have a NES, an SNES, and a N64, a GameCube, a Wii, and a Switch. And I have a PlayStation 1, PlayStation 2. Actually, I don't have a PS3, but I do have a PS4. And I own an original Xbox and an Xbox 360. Nope, no Sega consoles. Sega never was fun to me. Sega always felt like the Kmart version of Nintendo. It wasn't my jam. I'm a Nintendo man. Did you see we almost got parity with Windows NVIDIA driver? Windows is on 4.11 and the new beta is on 4.10. That's awesome. Have you or any of you heard any whispers of people planning to make a mod manager for use with Linux games? Not that I have heard of.
What do you want?
And I'll come by for that drink you offered. That's
I wasn't really serious about that.
what?
You're here, whatever. Sit. You're not gonna rob me again.
Man, I never robbed.
Have you hacked any of your consoles? Do any of them run Linux yet? I hacked the original Xbox. I intend, and I hacked my PS2. I intend on doing my 360 at some point, but it's a matter of getting the reset glitch stuff up and running, which I haven't done yet. But I've done a lot of research. SNES is greater than Genesis is greater than SNES? Debatable, my friend. What's your favorite Nintendo console? The Switch. Absolutely. Number one in my heart. And then the SNES. What's the performance like? It's running at a solid 32 frames a second right now. But I've also been able to get I was able to get it running at 60 frames a second, but when I was messing around with the settings.
What you saw the other day.
I spoke about that already. You can check out. I spoke about the COC stuff. You can look at my video called "The COC Controversy." I made a mistake calling it that. I don't want to trivialize anybody's feelings on the subject because it's not right to do that. But
Maybe I'm here because
yeah.
I'm just an idiot.
Eric Kuzmenko says, no, you must have control of all your hardware. Hack each of those consoles immediately. Yeah. Dolphin EMU X 8X MSAA.
bar I like. It's not too far from here. Let's go.
All right, man. I'm following you.
Let's take a
How's the FPS doing? Pretty good. It's pretty solid. There's not a lot of micro stuttering.
Hey, Jim. I'm going for a drink with...
Dad, shit! I'm in our boat going down the Western Highway. It's been stolen.
What? The yacht's been stolen?
I was trying to sell it. I know you didn't want it sold, but I need money, and they don't want to buy it. They just want to take it. I'm hiding in the head.
You're insane! All right, I'm coming. For my boat. Alrighty then. Change of plans. My darling boy.
Oh
is
yeah,
in
this was a
trouble.
great mission.
I'll do what I can to help with that, man.
Yeah.
Lesson number 1. Don't ever have kids.
Hey, man, look. If I had kids, I don't think no parenting issues would arise over who had boat privileges and who don't. Shit, motherfuckers would be lucky to sit in the bathtub.
Shit, things that desperate, huh?
Nah, but, you know, shit, I was making a point.
Pathologizing self-deprecation. I know it well.
Yeah, man, but shit, where the boat at?
Little shit's been hijacked. They're somewhere on the Western Highway. Oh, you screwed up my car! They're somewhere on the Western Highway.
Man, ain't you worried?
About my boat? Yeah, I am.
But you can always buy another boat.
Yeah, tell my accountant that.
Man, you can always get credit for one.
But have you come repo it? No, thank you.
All right, homie.
I ain't your homie. I'm someone you want to impress.
Really? Man, I thought you was retired. Why the fuck do I want to impress some slipper-wearing motherfucker?
Oh, there it is. That's my
Oh, Jesus.
That's my boat.
Your boat's in a fucking hurry, man.
Yeah, well, we'll catch him.
We got a plan?
Sure. Once
This
I
is
get
gonna
us
be
up
a
close,
lot harder with
you're the boarding party.
More like the falling in traffic party.
You'll be fine.
with the mouse and
Anything
keyboard.
happens, I got a piece of the glove
Oh
box.
my
I'll
god, get out of my way! Oh, that pisses me off, dude.
So you thought of everything, right?
Well, you said you want to learn the old way of doing things. This is the old way.
I don't care how much you want to kill these motherfuckers. Don't pop it till I say so. Hey, you want me to do this shit? You better get me closer, man.
I'd rather you don't slip under the wheels, all right?
I can't do this shit from here. Get me closer. Oh, wait!
God damn it. Oh my god. All right, let's see here.
Oh, there it is. That's my boat.
It's not Friday in the game.
Fucking hurry, man.
I just didn't change the thing.
We got a plan?
Sure. Once I get us up close, you're the boarding party.
More like the falling in traffic party.
You'll be fine. Anything happens, I got a piece in the glove box. I'll cover you.
Oh yeah, man, fine. Just fucking fine. So you thought of everything, right?
Well, you said you want to learn the old way of doing things. This is the old way.
Hey man, you ain't ready. Oh, fuck this.
Ah, this is gonna kill me. What the fucking varnish? Ah, crap. Yay! Come on, kid. Come on, kid. Get your ass out. What the fuck? Hey, there ain't room up there for the both of you. Oh, they didn't. They fucking shot the engine. Fuck. Don't you hurt my boy. You're screwing with the wrong retiree! Fucking animal! I just knew he was trying to kill me, man! Get away from him! Shoot this motherfucker in the face already! Back it up, you thieving prick!
It's easier to aim though. It's quite a bit easier to aim.
Dad? Wait, you're the guy from the dealership.
Yeah, and it's a long story, bro.
Jimmy!
Oh, shit!
Kid, watch out for the boom! Fuck! Hold on!
Help! 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 Oh, shit, I'm gonna die.
Damn it.
Too close!
Damn it, damn it, damn it. Dude. That kid.
I'm slipping! This is it!
Fucking A, dude. It has to rain, of course, right now.
I can't do this anymore!
Nice.
What is wrong with you, kid?
Dad!
Don't dad me, you little shit! You better hope she's still seaworthy. Ah, shit! Fuck, kid. I ain't coming from here, man. Get close. Hey, get me off this damn thing. Remind
Nice.
me not to come to you preparing it and fight. I don't like staring down the end of that thing, homie. All fucking board? Let's stop this ship from sailing.
This is getting really weird, Pop! Now that doesn't sound good!
Hey, that's the engine, man. We ain't chasing shit in this thing.
How come it didn't work for Linus Tech Tips? Because they didn't know what they were doing.
Hey! It's just a thing! At least you still got a son!
Hey, there's some chop shop back here, dog. You drive us there, we can get the ride fit.
I love that we're like,
It's just a
I love
thing.
that we're driving with a fucking
Please stop doing that!
in the rain
Listen,
with a convertible.
I fucked up, okay? I'm not going to lie, that was a really bad judgment call. But shit, Dad, I nearly died, and all you give a shit about is this fucking
Hey, you
boat!
gotta look out, dog.
No, not that. It's
All we do is scream at each other. No wonder I can't get a job. It's all your fucking fault. Or it's not, but it's partly your fault. I mean, I just want to impress you.
by selling my boat to some gangbangers?
I know it sounds dumb when you put it like that, but all you do is daydream or get angry.
Look, I love you, Jim.
I just love shooting out their wheels.
And right now, with my boat disappearing over the horizon, that's all I can see. Franklin, would you do me a favor and give this kid a ride home after they fix this thing? I want to headbutt the road in peace.
Oh, great. Leave me with the home invader.
I'll get it done, dog. No problem.
Dad!
Enough, all right? Enough. Hey, Franklin, can you call me a cab?
No problem. Hey, I need a cab as soon as you can send one. Los Santos Customs, by the airport. All right, thanks.
Thank you.
Hey, so you,
He wasn't running new enough drivers, but he needed to actually like install the clear fix.
No,
The
not really.
clear fix, the core fonts driver. What is clear fix?
And I don't have many other people to go with.
I've heard that term before
I like
somewhere.
looking at it. Look, I don't like this car. Yeah, I come down to the marina, sit on the dock, pour myself a drink, and look at her. Jacqueline. It'd clear my head, let me dream.
Jacqueline, huh? Well, maybe you need to do some other shit to fill your time. Dream other dreams, man.
Yeah, sure. Whatever.
I don't know where I'm going anymore. Press H when the car is stopped. Nope, that doesn't do anything. That's the headlights. Yeah, they needed to do the core fonts thing with online as tech tips in order to get the game to work.
Look out!
Oh, yeah, okay. You can use Lutris for the DVD version. I didn't know that. That's pretty cool. Hold H. It's gotta be stopped, I guess. Oh, we're almost there. It's horrible, dude. It's so bad.
Hey, this the place up here. I know this dude, man. His name Howard. He gonna look look after.
All right, take what's in my pocket. A couple $1,000. That'll cover it, right? So you sure you're good?
Yeah, I got this.
Ooh, I'm gonna come up front.
Get out and walk around.
It's okay, I can just climb over.
Look, man, I'm gonna get the ride fixed, man, and drop it back off at your house along with this dude. It's all good, though, man. You go and get your head right, all right?
All right, listen, thanks for today. Appreciate it. You stop back out to the house, we'll talk.
You see?
Show, man. Hey, sorry we didn't get your boat, man.
Yeah.
Come on, man, let's trick this whip, homie.
When I first played this on my PlayStation, I couldn't... I think it was this mission. It might have been another one, but pulling into here, like, didn't work at all. The thing that matters with Proton is getting more Linux gamers and upping the representation of Linux on the Steam's analytics. That's what's most important.
What do you think?
And yeah, most AAA developers don't even bother with ports, and that's true. And you know, you can't attract the average PC gamer to use Linux if they can't
Do this thing, or we got to bounce.
Oh, that is sexy. That is... Yeah, we're not doing that. Alright, we're done. My FPS right now is 32, but I was playing yesterday at 60. Actually, let's just... I'm gonna take him home. I'm gonna try messing around with the settings again. We'll try and get it back to 60.
It's Franklin, right?
Yeah, Franklin. Or the credit fraud guy. The home invader. You know what? Call me what you like, man.
Yeah, no, I mean, sure,
Jimmy, ain't it? Or James?
Jimmy. Or just like, Jizzle?
Nah, man, I'll just stick with Jimmy, homie.
So, what's the deal, man?
Huh?
You and my old man? I see you at the dealership, and someone steals my whip, and Papa's all like, he's been down there to talk to you guys.
Your pops did more than talk.
What'd he do?
Look, man, if he ain't tell you, I ain't gonna tell you. But I lost my fucking job, and I thought maybe he could help me find a new one.
Dude, my dad is retired. Like, fully. Like, his only marketable skills are watching TV and daytime drinking.
Man, look, I don't know, homie. He seems okay to me. Shit, he saved your ass.
You saved my ass.
Nah, man. Well, maybe we good together, you know? Like, maybe we can get shit done we couldn't do separate.
If it keeps him out of the house, that's cool by me.
Yeah, well, we'll see.
Look, I'm sorry my dad lost you your job. It's hard out there. Tough. I mean, I'm employmentally challenged at the moment.
Oh, you got fired, dude. Damn, that's rough.
Not fired as such. I didn't get a job.
I've been there, homie. You've been putting them resumes out there, but no one's hiring, huh?
No, I didn't get a job. I've never had a job. It feels like hard work. Life, the days just kind of disappear. Hey, you play Righteous Slaughter? Yo, so like, since we're both unemployed,
If the video
like,
driver
we could work
is
together, you know?
nearly an API pass-through to the card, why do we hear
Or we
people
could
claim
just,
better
like,
drivers
shop it, you
give
know?
better
Play darts or
performance?
get our drink on.
That's because
Strip clubs. Come on, dude, I can
newer
read
drivers
face.
tend to optimize the routines. Like, they give you the newer versions of like Vulkan. They help you optimize your
Brother from another mother. I mean,
the
I hope
usage
so,
of the
my mom was kind of a skank back in the day.
hardware and
See ya.
stuff.
Yeah, whatever, homie. Peace.
Alright, mission passed. So we're saving the game. Now we're gonna go to the settings and we're going to change the graphics settings. We're gonna scroll down to texture quality. I think we were on high. We were on normal. Let's just restore defaults. This is what it was yesterday, or the day before, whenever I played. And we want DirectX 10. because DirectX DXVK seems to be more of a robust solution and more optimized than VKD 3D. And type full screen. Let's restart it. Hey, thanks, man. Thanks for the hello from Brazil. All right. All right, we're running at 60 frames a second right now. DXVK implement. Oh, VK D3D is DX12, right? Okay. I suck. Well, maybe we can put it on 11 then and see how that works. I mean, does it make much of a difference? I don't know. We'll find out. Where can you see my system specs? I'll show you. It's right here. Ryzen 7 GeForce GTX 970. And I got 16 gigs of RAM. Nothing special. Run-of-the-mill kind of a PC, honestly. This is driving me crazy. There we go. We're doing a benchmark here, boys. Oh, hello. Well, that's okay. All right. Is it? Do I have a frame limiter on right now or something? If you look up at the left, the top left corner, you can see the Steam overlays frame FPS counter. And it says 60, but this is saying 30. So maybe this doesn't work with Proton. I don't know. I'm on DX10 right now. You wouldn't say Ryzen 1800 is run-of-the-mill? Okay, fair enough. It looks like a limiter. Disable half VSync. Ah. Okay. Yeah, let's just exit the benchmark here. Oh my god, what happened? Did it shut off? I can't answer that question for you, Azarel. That's a question you would want to ask like a hardware expert. I am by no means a hardware expert. Frickin' A. Yeah, it doesn't seem like that's working properly because it's at 60 and it's not changing. So that's fine. Whatever, dude. Is there like a in-game overlay that we can do? Let's check in the settings. Advanced graphics. Frame scaling mode. Graphics. Alright, we're gonna do DirectX 11. VSync. We're just gonna turn off. What is half VSync? I've never even heard of that. Okay. It's VSync divided by 2. Thank you, Wildrick. That's too funny, dude. That's actually really that was really funny to me. Thank you for that. That's a good laugh. Oh my god. Stretchy stretch today. I got a stretchy stretch. Oh, sync every other frame. Interesting. That's pretty cool. Let's try the story mode. I guess I didn't see an option for it in there. It's a frame limiter option. Some console games use that to get better frame pacing by unloading the extra hard work and trying to achieve 60 FPS. Yeah. I'm gonna get some water. I'll be back.
Last time you gave your auntie a foot rub, boy. Boys ain't never bit nobody.
All right, guys. How's it going? Uh-oh. My FPS counter is all over the place now. It definitely feels better now that I've turned the graphics settings down. Everything's set to normal except for textures, which is set to high, I think. What do I do now? I'm gonna switch to... Oh no. Do I have anything I can do? What is this? Grove Street Garage? Yeah, I'm good. What do I need to do now? Oh yeah, this is the frickin' driving mission.
What the fuck is wrong with you, Tanya?
Ain't nothing wrong with me, nigga. Shit.
Well, your ass don't look too good. Where the fuck is JB?
Smoking.
And what about you?
I mean, you know, I quit. You know what I'm saying? Almost.
Yeah, whatever.
JB, look, JB gonna lose everything. He gonna lose the house.
Hey, look, let's make this quick. I got shit to do.
Nigga, you need to slow it down. Tanisha was right.
Hey guys, hey, thanks, Cop Z.
Trucks at the Davis Sheriff Impound.
Have a great night, my friend.
How did I get dragged into this?
Should have ran her over.
Been sweet on me. Shit, Franklin Clinton.
Shit, your ass must be high or something.
I told you, I don't do that shit.
If you had to change distribution Linux, which
but I'm doing good, boo.
would you take there? Which? I'm not sure what you're asking. What's the username of... What's my username on Twitch? It's Zondak. XONDAK. I don't want to play this mission, actually. Why can't I switch? Because I'm on the mission already? I can't even pay attention to driving right now. I'm like ridiculously pleased with the performance of this. It's like, it's crazy how well this works. And I've played this on
Here's JB's truck. Let's go bring the cha-ching, homie.
I've played this on PS4 and it works pretty well. I really want to see if is there a setting that can show like performance, because I'm really interested in seeing what the real it's not here. Is it in display? No. Audio, key bindings. It's not going to be there. And no. Frame scaling mode. Nope. Alright, whatevs. It plays really well. Oh, she's got to get in here.
Vehicle 29, come in. This is dispatch. We got an abandoned car at San Andreas Avenue.
Yo, we on that like ugly on your mama.
10-9, come again? I didn't catch that.
It's Tanya, fool, and my boy Franklin. We filling in for JB.
Copy that. Hi, Tanya. Car's a junker. Been there for days. 10-7. I'm gone.
A bucket. This one should be easy.
Shit, not easy enough for JB to drag his ass out of whatever crack house he laying in.
His loss, yo gain, sugar.
Except I ain't gaining shit, sugar.
Move that seat back, and you know I'll make it right for you.
That ain't what I'm saying. Damn, Tanya. What the fuck happened to you?
Yeah, this is one of those boring missions. It's fucking boring.
Okay, I seen JB do this 100 times. Back up close. Make sure the hook is down. And it should slide right in.
Use shift
Aye, baby.
control.
Back it up nice and steady.
Oh, there we go.
Okay, we are in, baby. Let's get this back to the lot.
Hey, this was not how I saw my day going.
There we go. That's what I want. Alright.
seen you around the hood much?
I've been trying to branch out. Can't stay in Chamberlain Hills forever.
Oh, nigga got airs now. I remember you before you was a wannabe when you just was.
And I remember you and JB before y'all was dopehead. Shit changes.
You the one all turfed up. JB smoking, but he ain't smoking homies. He out here grinding, towing cars, paying bills.
For real. Cause I could have sworn it was me out here towing cars for him.
And looking damn fine doing it too, baby. Okay, we make the drop where they got the areas marked. They get real finicky when we don't leave it in the right place. All good, Franklin. Unhook that thing. I'll see you on the block. Anything you need, you holler at me. Now.
Cool, that was easy. Looks like my stream is kind of choppy. Is my stream choppy? It seems like my stream is really choppy.
Is that Pete?
I'm gonna see what I can do over here. Stream is really choppy. How about oh my god. It's super choppy. What is happening? My CPU's at 11%. I don't know what. Why is it so choppy? Yeah, but it's not my, like, if you look at my, it's OBS screen capturing. Like, look at my hand waving versus look at this move around. This should be nice and smooth, and it's not. I don't know. I think I'm going to call it, actually. I don't have any missions. Oh, I do have a mission now. I don't know. Do you want to see one more mission? Let's do one more mission, and then I'm going to call it an evening, I think. What? What is happening right now? I don't know if this is gonna work. It's super choppy now. I can't even play this now. Why is it? I don't know, guys. It might be the DirectX 11 DXVK. I don't know. Anyway, I think that's gonna be it for me. Oh, it's actually counting frame rate now, which is weird. Yeah, all right, guys. Have a great night. It looks like my computer is gonna crash, so I'll talk to you guys later. If I can actually, like, get out of this. Yeah. All right. Thanks for hanging out, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.